When art, performance, and technology meet, something magical awakens. Every movement of the dancer paints a new story. With each step, mandalas bloom and dissolve. Never the same, always alive. Every note sung sends ripples through light and form. The voice becomes color, sound becomes shape, and the invisible becomes visible. This is not just performance, it is a dialogue between body, voice, and code. A canvas where tradition meets innovation, where technology listens, responds, and creates with us. Here, art is not fixed. It breathes, it reacts, it evolves in real time. Each gesture, each song, leaving behind a fleeting masterpiece. This is the convergence of creativity and technology. This is living art,